Okay, here. Hold on, Mama help. Okay, ready? Here's the king's crown.
Yay!
Yay! Zebby's the king. Off. You gonna put it on? Yay! Zebby's the king. Off. It's not on. It fell off. Put it on. It's upside down. Do you want help? Okay, let's put it like this. Uh-oh, you missed. Bring it here, Mama help you. Okay, help. Okay, here we go. Ready? Yay! Zebby's the king! Off! You gonna put it on? Here, help. Let me help. Ready? Yay! Up! Oh, it got stuck. He's silly. Uh-oh, you gonna put it on? Say yay! Uh-oh. You're silly. Put it on. Put it on your head. How do you get it? Almost. Can Mama help? Okay, ready? Yay! Off. Oh, you like to hold it like that. You gonna put it on Mama? Oh, thank you.